joining us for an virtual Earth Week environmental education session. My name is Susan. I'm a part-time naturalist here at Waukesha County's Retzer Nature Center, and I'm going to read to you a story called What Matters by Allison Hughes. And I like this story because, especially for Earth Week, it's a great reminder that the decisions that we make every single day, you and me and everyone else, have an effect on the rest of the world, other people, other animals, and everything around us. A crumpled soda can lay in the grass, glinting in the sun. A boy ran down the path. He saw the can, picked it up, and tossed it into a nearby recycling bin. It was only a little thing, a small thing. The boy didn't know it mattered at all, but it did. It mattered to an ant carrying breakfast to his family, and to a snail spared a long and tiring detour. It mattered to a spider who had worked all morning, spinning an intricate web. And to a worm whose wormhole might have been plugged. And to a curious dog with a very delicate snuffler. It mattered to a hungry, nibbly mouse who might have gotten sick, and to 2 baby birds with sensitive new eyes. It mattered to 73 blades of grass and to a dandelion that would have wilted. It kept a drain from clogging, which stopped a garden from flooding, which saved the flowers that danced in the breeze. The boy didn't know it, but he helped. He helped a tiny stream flow more freely to a river, and the river flow more smoothly to the ocean. He helped a tiny crab to scuttle in a clear tide pool and a big ocean fish to swim in cleaner water. He helped the vast ocean throw one less piece of garbage onto the beach. He made the earth just a little more blue, a smidgen more green. Picking up that crumpled can was only a little thing, a small thing, but it mattered. More than the boy ever knew. We may never know, but the fun thing is we can make those choices every day to go for a great walk at a park like Retzer, and if we see something that maybe needs to be picked up, we can pick it up. I hope you enjoy and keep walking and be safe.